Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbisani. Hope you are doing great. Now today I come forward with another video, that to the part 3 of Andhra Pradesh Dental Colleges review video. Definitely it's a long video and thank you so much that you all like the remaining part 1 and part 2 of Andhra Pradesh Dental Colleges review video. So if you are new on my channel and if you haven't checked out the part 1 and part 2 of Andhra Pradesh Dental Colleges review, the previous year cutoff, the college fees, then you need to check out. These two videos are already out on my channel. I will definitely put the link of these two videos in the I button as well as in the description of this video. So don't forget to check out that. Now followed by that, today also I am gonna talk about another set of the private dental colleges and their review and everything about them, so that you can take the admission easily in those colleges. Now why I am stressing so much on the Andhra Pradesh? Because Andhra Pradesh state is the open state. Anyone can take the admission in this state in the MDS course. Then that's why there are large number of chances that a huge amount of students will gonna take admission in the Andhra Pradesh. That's why this video will gonna help you to do the choice filling when it comes to the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Moreover, there is one new feature already out on my channel this year, that is there is the two separate WhatsApp group available. One is for the dental jobs and medical jobs. Another WhatsApp group is of the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Now both the WhatsApp group are the separate one, paid one, and have their own benefits. First of all, if we talk about the WhatsApp group of dental jobs and medical jobs, it includes all over India jobs. That too not only dental but for the MBBS, MD, MS, DMD, MPH, everyone. Followed by the second benefit is you not only get just a government job. There is the information released for the private dental jobs also as well as the private medical jobs also daily. Then what you are waiting for? It is the best way to find the scope of dentistry and the medical field while you are in India. Along with that, the second group is the NEET MDS 2023 counseling group. See, I have cleared it earlier also in my previous videos. Now today also I am clearing that point. That WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling only provide the fastest information regarding the notices and the upcoming infos regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Moreover, there is the 100 plus students are already there in that group from all over India. So you can have the one-to-one discussion with everyone, like we used to discuss each and every query which I come across in your message form, and then we can discuss there, right? Followed by the third benefit is there is the personal guidance given, so as myself able to give you the guidance while doing the choice filling, while doing the selection of the colleges or the branches. Right? And this type of videos which I am fabricating right now and releasing on my YouTube channel, these types of video will definitely help you to get some idea about the college, about the state, about the branches and so on. Now back to the topic, let's start with the third part of the private dental colleges review, that too of Andhra Pradesh, which is again an open state. The set of private dental colleges of Andhra Pradesh include the Sibar Institute of Dental Sciences, which is present as Guntur. It is established in the year 2001 and 2002. The hospital attached with this college is the Ramesh Hospital. If we talk about the fees of MDS course, that too per seat and per year per clinical seat, or normally the clinical seat will have the fees here, that is 9 lakhs per year per PG seat. Now let's see the MDS seats which are available in this college. That include the endo has 6 seats, Ortho has 5 seats, Prostho has 6 seats, OMR has 3 seats, Oral Surgery has 5 seats, and Pedo has 6 seats, PhD has 4 seats, Periodontology has 6 seats, and Oral Pathology has 3 seats. See the cutoff of the previous year, that is the NEET MDS 2022 counseling. So make sure you can see where your rank stand and in which college and in which branch you are able to get, right? So that's why this part of the video is very important for each and every dental colleges. Now let's see the cutoff of the previous year, that too in this dental college. So being the SC category, that too in All India Quota Counseling, MDS in Periodontics is with the cutoff of 7,355, MDS in Oral Medicine with the cutoff of 16,051, that too SC category in All India Quota Counseling. Followed by that, the ST category got MDS in Periodontics, that too at a rank of 12,683. Definitely he or she took the mop-up round seat, that's why he or she is able to get the seat at this college and at this rank. Followed by the OBC will have the cutoff rank or a seat there, that too again in MDS in Periodontology, and that too with the rank of 5,239. So there you can see that the same seat is at the different rank which is available in the same college. Maybe someone took that seat in first round of counseling, someone took in second round of counseling, someone took in state counseling. Definitely the one who is having the 16,000 rank, he or she got it at the mop-up round, right? Then only he or she is able to get the seat at this rank, right? Now let's see the journal category, All India Quota Counseling previous year cutoff, that too come under this college, that is the MDS in Prosthodontics with the rank of 1,933, MDS in Oral Surgery with the rank of 1,625, MDS in Oral Pathology with the rank of 6,279, MDS in OMR, that is Oral Medicine with the rank of 11,404, MDS in Public Health Dentistry with the rank of 5,600, MDS in Conservative, that means MDS in Endodontics with the rank of 1,048, MDS in Pedodontics with the rank of 2,301, MDS in Orthodontics with the rank of 2,689. About this college, which is the Private Dental College of Andhra Pradesh, let's see the another private dental college review of Andhra Pradesh, that is the Anil Neerukonda Institute of Dental Sciences, that is included in AP as a private dental college and which is established in the year 2013 and 14. The hospital attached is with the same name, that is the Anil Neerukonda Hospital is attached with it. Again, the affiliation for all the private dental colleges is with the Dr. NTR University, Vijayawada. Followed by, if we talk about the fees, that is also same for the clinical branch for the MDS course, that is 9 lakh per year per PG seat. If we talk about the seats, then there are 3 endo seats, 3 ortho seats, 3 public health dentistry seats, 2 pedo seats, 2 OMR seats, 2 prostho seats, 2 periodontology seats and 2 seats of OS. Now if we talk about the cutoff of this Anil Neerukonda Dental Institute of AP, then the SC category All India Quota Counseling MDS in Prosthodontics with the rank of 7,564, MDS in Pedodontics with the rank of 10,318. Followed by the ST category, that too All India Quota Counseling cutoff, MDS in Oral Medicine with the rank of 17,331. Followed by the OBC seat is also there in this college and that too in MDS in Periodontics and that too with the rank of 8,394. Followed by the journal category rank is also there, that is for the MDS in oral surgery with the journal category All India Quota Counselling previous year cutoff with the rank of 3604. Followed by MDS in endodontics with the rank of 1962. MDS in orthodontics with the rank of 5286. That's all about this private dental college of Andhra Pradesh. Let's see the another dental college of Andhra Pradesh, that is the Dr. Sudha and Nageshwara Rao Siddhartha Institute of Dental Sciences. It is established in the year 2005 and 2006. It is the private dental college and it is having the hospital attached with the name Dr. Pina Marie Siddhartha Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Foundation. Fees is again same, that is 8,91,000 per year per PG seat for the MDS course. University is same for all the private dental colleges of Andhra Pradesh, that is the Dr. NTR University at Vijayawada. If we see the MDS seats in this college, then Prosto has 5 MDS seats, OS has 5 MDS seats, Endo has 5 MDS seats, then Oral Pathology 3 seats are there, Pedo 3 seats are there, Ortho 5 seats are there, OMR that is 3 seats are there, Perio 5 seats are there. Now let's see the cutoff of previous year analysis, that is the NEET MDS 2022 cutoff which come under this college, right? So for the SC All India Quota Counselling category, the candidate got MDS in oral surgery with the rank of 7534, MDS in orthodontics with the rank of 2517. Then OBC candidate is also there who got MDS in prosthodontics with the rank of 4981 in this college. Followed by the MDS in endodontics with the ST category, he got 5951. Followed by the journal category people, that too come under for the All India Quota Counselling. They also got the MDS seat in these colleges, that is with the ranks, that is MDS in periodontics with the rank of 3454, MDS in prosthodontics journal category 1905, MDS in oral surgery with the rank of 980 journal category, MDS in endodontics with the rank of 779, that means 779 journal category, MDS in periodontics with the rank of 4235, MDS in orthodontics with the rank of 1694. Private Dental College of Andhra Pradesh, that is the Sri Sai Dental College and Research Institute, which is present in AP only. Again the affiliation is same, the same university is there. It is affiliated to the Dr. NTR University Vijayawada. It is established in the year 2003 and 2004. Again the hospital attached is the RIMS hospital. If we talk about the fees, that is also same in the MDS course in this college also, that is 8,91,000 per year per PG seat for the clinical branches. That means the clinical branch which are available in the MDS course. Now if we talk about the seats, there are 3 seats of endo, ortho, prosto and perio. Right? Now if we see the cutoff of this Sri Sai Dental College, that to the previous year cutoff. So the SC category in All India Quota Counselling, they got the MDS in prosthodontics with the rank of 12,653. Moreover, SC category people, they got MDS in endodontics with the rank of 10,746. MDS in orthodontics, that is again SC category, they got 8,302. Journal category people are also there which took the admission in this college, and that too in clinical branches, and that too in the clinical branches being the journal category, and that too last year. That is MDS in periodontics with the rank of 4,065, MDS in prosthodontics with the rank of 5,988, MDS in orthodontics with the rank of 7,326. That's all about all the private dental colleges review, that too of Andhra Pradesh, and I am done in all the 3 parts. This is the 3rd part of the video, and I am done with the complete review of all the private dental colleges, which are the renowned one and definitely which are the important one. I hope this video will help you a lot to decide which college is there, which rank is there, at that too in which state, right? That's all about the today's video. Hope you like this video, then hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to join any of the WhatsApp group, you can follow me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen. Follow me there as a sweet gesture. Followed by that, you can ask for the link. Definitely the registration is there. You can register yourself so that I came to know about you, right? And then you can join the group in just 5 minutes. So I hope this will help you a lot. Already the 100+ students are there in the group. So what you are waiting for? If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.